प्यार का रंग कौन सा होता है वो तो पेंटर से पूछना पड़ेगा आपको. I think easiest reference would be the color red, but it's lovely the way she's used different colors with black to create that a very, I don't know what she calls it really, but I love the paintings. I've gone through most of them, and most importantly मुझे theme बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think आजकल के ज़माने में जब there's so much strife, there's so many problems we're dealing with, relationships are under so much stress. I think it's nice to take inspiration from these from mythology, because they give us lots of examples of, you know, whether it's Ram and Sita or Lakshman and Urmila or so many other stories जहाँ एक दूसरे के लिए they patiently waited, you know, love went through various tests and yet came out triumphant. So I think that's the idea that I connected with. I think love makes the world go round and round, or I believe in the religion of love. Let's say, of course, प्यार. पर एक बात कह दूँ, एक मिनट की, प्यार मैं बहुत लोगों से करती हूँ. आप सिर्फ उस एक शख्स के बारे में पूछ रहे हैं. all a painter, but yes, I enjoy, even in my college days, I used to come to Jahangir and all these galleries around college, NGMA or jahan exhibitions lagte the, Kala Ghoda Festival, I used to come and have a look. So even in college, we had some artists, some very well-known artists, works being displayed. I like seeing them. I can't ever hold a brush, so I at least come and admire what these people do. I think most of us associate love with red, but I think there's every hue in love. There's every color. There's sometimes there's jealousy, sometimes there's anger, there's lust, there's possessiveness, there's sacrifice. There's so many different, and each of these emotions can be denoted by a color. So I think there's every color.
To watch more, log on to www.erosentertainment.com.